Okay, welcome back to the next phase. I've got the new crank pulley, Febby one, and I'm just about, I've detensioned the belt. I'm just about to take the pulley off. You're definitely going to need a impact gun. I've got this massive thing which is electric, but it's got 400 Newton meters of power, so that should zip that off quite easily. So hopefully I can place the phone here and you can actually see it in action. That should be alright, that should be adequate. Let's make sure it's in reverse. Here we go. Well, that's surprising. Alright, let's try the other one. Well, I can't believe that. Maybe because it's on an extension. Let me try it. Let me try it direct. Let's try it direct. Right. We haven't shifted a bit. Right, I'm gonna have to go off camera and do this because I need to push the gun into the pulley to apply that pressure because it keeps coming off one-handed. So back in a minute. Just like that, one's off. See if I can show you how I did it now. Now, without the extension, it works well, but you have to push onto it. Push onto it, and it comes undone. Okay, new pulley's on. Now I know there's a correct torque setting of, don't quote me on this, I think it's about 100 Newton meters, I think. I'll have to look it up and just make sure. But normally I just give it a bit of a tighten and that's sufficient. I've done that for my last jog and never had a problem. So let's fire it up and see if this nasty noise is no more. If it's still there, I'd be worried. Yay! Happy days. It was the horrible crank pulley. Okay, I'm happy that's all done and dusted. Sounds good. And I'm going to leave it on this video for now, and I will bring you more in the future. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm happy that you guys have got me up to what, 630
34 now, I think. Keep subscribing, it really helps. I really do appreciate it. Thank you, goodbye.